Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie Costa, if you did not know that already. So today's video is going to be a May Boxycharm Base and Boxycharm Premium unboxing. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So we're gonna start with the base box. And the first thing in the box is this Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette. I use this on my eyelids today. I use the shades Sand, Terracotta, Gold, and then I use Cinnamon on the outer corner of the eye, and then Cream for the inner highlight. I really like this palette. The shades are very pigmented, and they're also not, what's the word, like patchy, or there's not a lot of fallout when you use them. I have received a Violet Voss eyeshadow palette before. I believe it was from, I think it might have been from like a Boxy Luxe. And this little palette I think is actually slightly better quality than the one that we got. Every shade is pretty pigmented with just like one layer. And also blending the shadows together was pretty smooth. So this palette goes for $29, which isn't bad. There are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 eyeshadows in this palette, and for the quality, I mean, $29 isn't so bad. Next in the box is this Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. This goes for $22. I didn't use this yet because I'm still working on another eyeshadow primer, so I didn't want this to expire before I could even use it. I'm assuming it works like every other eyeshadow primer out there to help make eyeshadows last longer. The eyeshadow primer I'm on right now, I really don't care for it. It has like a tint to it that just doesn't match my skin. So hopefully this is like a transparent primer. Next in the box is this Ayam BeautyCare Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. It says it also removes a waterproof mascara, which is nice to have. I've definitely never heard of this brand before, but I'm happy to give them a try. Lately I have been more into makeup removing balms and like soaps rather than wipes, because I heard it's like just better for the environment, so I hopped on that. But these will definitely still get some use. It says it helps prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening the skin. They remove all traces of makeup without causing irritation, leaving skin hydrated and luminous. So pretty much your standard makeup remover, except it has like vitamin C serum in it, so that's a bit different than the other makeup wipes that I've tried. And this goes for $17, which to me is a bit pricey. If I get makeup wipes, I usually go for the simple makeup wipes that you can get from like Walmart, probably for like $5, and you get like, I don't know, 50 in the pack. So $17, that's like almost a slightly less than $1 per towelette. So to me, that's just a little bit overpriced, but I will for sure still give them a try. Next in the box is this GlamGlow BerryGlow Probiotic Recovery Mask. Now I didn't get a paper with info about the products in my box. So it says apply an even layer for clean skin, leave on for 10 minutes. It doesn't really even say what, I guess the purpose of the mask, like what it's supposed to do. I don't know. Probiotic to me is like probiotics that you take orally, which helps bring like good bacteria into your GI system, but obviously it's for the skin. So I'm assuming it's kind of doing something similar, but not really bacteria. I don't know. Obviously they didn't give any info, so yeah. So this goes for $49, which this is a fairly heavy jar. It's GlamGlow. You can get it at Sephora. It's not surprising that the price point is up there, so I'm not like super shocked by the $49. Maybe if it's super good, I would consider repurchasing. But other than that, I really have no further information on the product. So lastly in the box is this Daily Concept shampoo bar, which I thought this was really interesting. I have tried Daily Concepts body wash bar, which they're like okay. They're not as good as Spongella or Spongel. I don't know how you say that brand. But this is a shampoo bar. So it's for your hair, which is really different. And it looks like this. It says avocado oil rich in EFA oils for elasticity and natural shine. Bend, don't break. Okay. No pole cactus, super nourishing and protects hair from the harshest elements. Aloe, moisturizing and balancing, as well as soothing for hair and scalp. I actually look forward to trying this out. This is definitely different than any other product that I have. And it smells like really fresh. It smells like plants. And I'm into it. And this goes for $24, which depending how long this lasts will determine on if this is worth it, because $24, okay for like a big bottle of like shampoo, but if this doesn't last like a few months, then I wouldn't even bother. So the total value for my May base box, it's $141, which is good. You pay $25 a month and they promise around $120 worth of product, so they definitely went above that target. Now moving on to the Boxycharm Premium box, the pamphlet. So the theme for this month was Mother Nature. So I was able to use most of the products in this box. So let's start off with the Kat Von D product. So this is a Kat Von D Inkwell Liner Longwear Matte Eyeliner, and I got it in the shade Inkwell, or hold on, Dark Wave, Inkwell Dark Wave. Yeah, I think the shade's Dark Wave. But I was super excited to not get a liner that was black. So Dark Wave is an electric blue shade, and at first when I was applying this liner, it was not coming out like this color. Like it almost looked like a navy blue, but I just kept on shaking it and shaking it and shaking it, and eventually like the pigment started showing up. Now this is what my eyeliner came out to, which I really like. The big con of this product though is that it's super liquidy. Like it kept on dripping. Like it's on my mirror as well. It just kept on dripping, and it also dried down super fast, which sometimes that can be okay, but this was like within 2 seconds. And so I kept on having to go in and out of the little pod to get more product to finish my eyeliner. But other than that, I love this eyeliner. I don't have one like it. So I mean, other than the dryness and the pigmentation at first, really enjoyed this little thing right here. Oh, and this goes for $20. I think that's worth it. Pretty much around the same price as like other Sephora brands range in liquid liner. Next in the box was this Milk Makeup. What is this? Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek Tint, I guess. So I used this on my cheeks, but I used it before I put powder and bronzer on. So I don't even know if you can really tell. My cheeks are kind of naturally a little bit red on their own, but over foundation it kind of just looked like it had like a natural flush going on. But I mean, it got covered up pretty much with the powder and the bronzer and the highlight. But I also did put this on my lips, which I think it did give a little bit of a tint, but I put this on maybe not too long ago, maybe like 20 minutes ago, and I feel like it's already gone. So this little thing goes for $15, and believe it or not, it probably is, I think it is a full size, considering it is a lip product. But definitely not my favorite thing in the box. Next in the box were these Battington Beauty Powder and Contour Brush Sets. I actually think they are really good quality. I use the powder to set my foundation, and I also use this to apply I guess like highlighting powder onto those areas, and I thought it worked nicely. It didn't like blotch it on like other brushes that I have, so I will definitely continue to use this. For that purpose. And then the contour brush, I did like it. It did go on nicely. It didn't pick up too much, which is good, but I feel like I would use this shape of a brush probably more likely with a blush instead of like a bronzer, just because I think it just, like, I feel like this isn't the best shape for contouring. I prefer another brush that I use for that instead, but we'll definitely keep using this brush. So these two brushes go for a big $90. So although these brushes are good, I honestly probably would not spend $90 on two brushes. A brush set like of like 10 brushes, yeah, sure, maybe, but just two brushes just wouldn't do it for me, no matter how good they are. Then in the box was this Too Faced Cosmetics Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer, which, based on the outside of the packaging, I thought this was gonna be super dark, but it's actually not too bad. It's a pretty good shade for my skin tone. I do have it on my cheekbones and my forehead and like my neck and everywhere, and I think it blends really well with my skin tone. And although it has like glitter in like the powder itself, you really can't tell when it's on the skin. The glitter kind of just falls out. If it did show glitter, that would be something that I don't really like. I don't believe glitter should be in a bronzer, so glad that it's not a shimmery bronzer when applied to the skin. So this goes for $30, which I think that is worth it. This will last, honestly, a long time, and it will definitely get use out of me. So definitely probably my like second favorite product in the box. Up next was this Tarte Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm, which this smells so good, and I never complain about like getting lip balms, because they'll definitely get like 100% use out of me. I still have a few that I need to use, but they're so good. And this smells amazing. It smells like, I guess, almost like cotton candy. But yeah, Tarte killed it with this balm. And this thing goes for $12, which isn't horrible. I think you get a little bit more out of the little pan than you would in like an actual chapstick container. So slightly worth it. Oh, my stomach. A little bit worth it. But just for that smell, I think this is an awesome product. Now, lastly in the box, I got this Kevyn Aucoin The Expert Mascara, which I was pretty shocked to get a Kevyn Aucoin product. I feel like Kevyn Aucoin is like kind of like a up there item, right? Like a luxury item, at least I thought. So it says, has a weightless formula that's buildable and leaves lashes their fullest, and while being soft to the touch even after multiple applications. It is formulated with Japanese camellia oil to fortify lashes and make them more elastic and resilient. And this, it goes for $29, which I think that's like kind of like a standard price at Sephora, right? I think so. I think like Better Than Sex is like 30 bucks or 32. So this is actually not a bad priced item compared to others. So definitely looking forward to using this later. All right, so that was it for the Boxycharm Premium box. So you pay $35 a month for the Boxycharm Premium, and they promise more than $175 worth of product, and they definitely hit that because this box is valued at $196. So definitely above the target. All right, that is it for this video. I'm pleasantly surprised with Boxycharm this month. I actually like most of the products. Like, there's like maybe a couple that I don't care for, but overall I really like the products that we got. And yeah, that is it for this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.